अच्छा जी, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Let's talk about the value stream mapping. Okay. In that case, what we need to see whatever the operations are going on. We need to see how much time every operation, every task is taking. That is the 0.05 second. And what is the distance in moving a good from one place to another place. So in that chart you see we have a distance in feet, time in minutes, chart symbol is telling you what kind of operation is going on. Is it a transport? What kind of activity you may say? Transport, operation, inspect, delay, storage. So but basically these are the procedures for making the product ready. So this is the burger is being cooked by some brand. So this is about it. So these are the process description. These are the process going on. You see over here, meat patty in storage is already there. That is part of the storage. So it is already in the refrigerator. Meat is already in the refrigerator. You see meat patty in storage. That is triangle. Start with the triangle, go to the arrow. Arrow is the transport. Now transfer to broiler. Broiler is the where you cook. Okay? So it goes over there, and then it start. The operation starts. It start. Operation of cooking starts from here. So you see symbols are being changed from one symbol to another symbol. So in this chart, what you do, you take out, at the end you take out the value added time. What is the value added time? That is the 85.7% is the value added time. And the value added time is the time in which you are keep adding the value. So over here we do not count the transportation, the movement of the product, because movement of the product never increase the value of your product. Getting a point? When you move a product from one place to another place, it never increase any value. Value means it does not add in the product any kind of addition in the product. So transportation, when you subtract the transportation time, what is the time remaining? That is the